Welcome. Today, we're diving into how the combination of Obsidian and Hermes Agent is changing the way we manage our daily digital lives. For years, many of us have been stuck in the cycle of downloading, testing, and switching between countless productivity apps. But what if you could replace all those tools with a single, customizable AI-powered system? That's exactly what Theo Stoll discovered, and it's led him to actively delete his day-to-day apps in favor of a smarter, more integrated workflow. Let's explore why this shift is so compelling and how it might inspire you to rethink your own digital toolkit. For a long time, Theo believed in sticking with his chosen software, even advocating for stability over constant switching. But as technology evolves, so do our needs. The rise of AI agents and customizable platforms like Obsidian has ushered in a new era of information management. Instead of juggling multiple apps, Theo found that speaking to an AI agent could achieve the same or even better results. This realization marked a turning point, prompting him to rethink his entire approach to productivity and digital organization. At the heart of this transformation is Hermes Agent, a self-improving AI developed by Noose Research. When paired with Obsidian, Hermes becomes a powerful assistant that can access your notes, understand context, and perform tasks on your behalf. This combination doesn't just replace individual apps, it creates a seamless workflow tailored to your unique needs. Imagine having an assistant that knows your projects, remembers your preferences, and acts proactively. That's the promise of Hermes x Obsidian. Theo set up Hermes on a VPS server in Manchester, syncing his Obsidian vault using headless sync. This setup allows Hermes to access the same notes and context as Theo, whether he's on his laptop or away from his desk. The configuration bridges local and cloud environments, ensuring that the AI agent is always up to date with the latest information. This foundation is crucial for enabling Hermes to act intelligently and autonomously, reducing the need for manual intervention. Theo's broader setup includes both an assistant and an intern, both powered by AI. These agents connect seamlessly to Obsidian, reading context and carrying out approved tasks without requiring Theo to be present at his computer. This model allows for a division of labor, where the assistant handles complex tasks and the intern manages routine operations. The result is a more efficient workflow that leverages AI to handle both strategic and mundane activities. To make Hermes even more accessible, Theo connected it to a Telegram bot. This means he can interact with his AI assistant from anywhere, using his phone to send messages, notes, or commands. Whether he's updating his notes or managing GitHub repositories, there's no need to open multiple apps. The Telegram integration streamlines communication and ensures that Hermes is always just a message away, making productivity truly mobile. Theo never relied on traditional CRM apps like HubSpot. Instead, he built a custom CRM within Obsidian, tailored for his Parazatel Community and Foundations program. By prompting Claude, he created a system that syncs with Kit via their MCP, ensuring that updates are reflected across all subscriber touchpoints. This approach eliminates the need for bloated CRM software, offering a streamlined, offline, and fully owned solution. Looking ahead, Theo plans to integrate School, so that anyone joining Foundations is instantly synced to his CRM and Kit, receiving lesson emails without manual input. This automation reduces friction and ensures a smooth onboarding experience for new members. By setting up these connections once, Theo creates a workflow that operates independently, freeing up time and mental energy for more meaningful work. The beauty of Theo's approach is that he owns his workflow. By investing a bit of effort up front, he creates systems that are tailored to his needs and fully under his control. There's no reliance on third-party platforms that might change or disappear. Once set up, these workflows are ready to act whenever new information arrives, making day-to-day operations smoother and more reliable. For task management, Theo wanted simplicity and a quick capture mechanism. Instead of using popular apps like Todoist or Things, he created a dedicated Hermes profile. Its main job is to take his spoken thoughts, flesh them out, and save them as notes in his Obsidian inbox. The default Hermes agent processes these notes overnight, ensuring that ideas are organized and actionable when Theo returns to them. One of the most powerful features is the ability to capture ideas on the move. Using Telegram's voice note feature, Theo can record thoughts while running or walking without stopping to type. Hermes processes these voice notes, transcribes them, and integrates them into his workflow. This not only boosts productivity, but also ensures that no idea is lost, no matter where inspiration strikes. Theo envisions even more advanced uses for Hermes. For example, he plans to build a personal trainer profile within Hermes, similar to his task manager setup. By speaking workout details into the agent, Hermes could log sessions, track progress, and offer suggestions based on past data. This would make fitness tracking more natural and context-rich, all within the same integrated system. Despite the power of these tools, Theo cautions against overcomplicating things. Just because you can automate everything doesn't mean you should. It's important to be selective about what you delegate to your AI agent, and to keep your system focused on what truly matters. Otherwise, you risk creating a convoluted workflow that adds more confusion than value. Theo is still learning how to decide what to automate and what to manage manually. He's building processes that help Hermes agents self-correct, stay focused, and avoid going off track. Ultimately, the responsibility for effective automation rests with the user. It's about finding the right balance between leveraging AI and maintaining control over your workflow. Theo draws inspiration from the principles of minimal note-taking. The goal isn't to build the most complex system possible just because an agent can maintain it. Instead, it's about keeping things focused on the work that truly makes a difference. Minimal agent implementation means using AI to support, not overwhelm, your workflow. With so many powerful tools available, it's easy to fall into the trap of chasing every new feature or app. Theo warns against this shiny object syndrome. Instead, he recommends focusing on what you actually need and resisting the urge to build elaborate workflows for tasks that don't align with your goals. Simplicity and intentionality are key. Theo's journey is a testament to the power of custom-built, AI-driven workflows. By replacing traditional apps with intelligent agents, he's created a system that's more responsive, flexible, and aligned with his personal and professional needs. This shift represents a broader trend in technology, where users are empowered to design their own solutions rather than relying on one-size-fits-all software. Theo is also building Parazettal Foundations, a program designed to teach effective note-taking practices from scratch. This initiative reflects his commitment to helping others develop sound information management habits. Whether you're new to digital note-taking or looking to refine your approach, Foundations offers guidance on building systems that work for you. The main lesson from Theo's experience is that you don't need a dozen apps to stay organized and productive. With the right combination of tools like Obsidian and Hermes Agent, you can build a system that's simpler, smarter, and more aligned with your goals. The focus should always be on what helps you get meaningful work done, not on chasing the latest tech trends. As AI agents become more capable, the possibilities for personal productivity and workflow automation will only expand. Theo's approach is just the beginning. By staying intentional and focused, you can harness these tools to support your unique needs and ambitions. The future of productivity is personal, flexible, and powered by intelligent agents. In summary, the combination of Obsidian and Hermes Agent offers a powerful alternative to the traditional app-based approach to productivity. By building custom workflows, automating routine tasks, and focusing on what truly matters, you can reclaim control over your digital life. Take inspiration from Theo's journey and consider how you might simplify, streamline, and supercharge your own workflow with the tools available today.